In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to use SafeArrival to report student absences. On your mobile device, open the School Messenger app and log into your account. On your computer, open your web browser and visit go.schoolmessenger.ca and click Login located at the top right corner of the web page to access your account. On either the mobile app or the website, tap or click the menu icon located at the top left corner of the screen and select Attendance. Tap on the plus sign where it says Report an Absence and select the student's name. Select Full Day or Multiple Day and the reason for the absence from the available options, then tap on Send. If the student is going to be late, select Full Day and then select Late. If you're reporting a multiple day absence, select the first and last date of the absence and tap Send. You will now see the absence listed on the attendance page. You will also get a confirmation message via email. For more information, including tutorials and FAQs, visit ocdsb.ca/safearrival.